says, a boat departs Port Isabel, Texas, traveling to an oil rig. The oil rig is located 9 miles east and 12 miles north of the boat's departure point. About how many miles is the oil rig from the departure point? So the first thing I would do for questions like this is draw it out. So let's say that the departure point is located here. If the oil rig is going to be 9 miles east and 12 miles north, the oil rig is going to be up here. And then the departure point is here. So I'll put departure point and then OR. So D for departure and OR for oil rig. And then this is going to be their distance from each other. And now we can see that this looks a lot like a triangle. So it's going to be 9 miles east and 12 miles north. And since we have two legs of the triangle, we can do Pythagorean theorem. So we have A, so our A is going to be 9. So 9 squared plus 12 squared is going to give us 81 plus 144. And that's going to give us 225. But we have to remember that this is still c squared. That doesn't give us c. So we have to take the square root of that 225. And that'll give us 15. And you see how they put the 225 in the answer choices to try to confuse you. But the answer is going to be H. What we're looking at is, what is x, the second term in the geometric series 1/4 plus x plus 1 over 36 plus 1 over 108 plus ... Those ... dots just mean that this sequence will go on and on and on forever. We also have a note. The note says that in a geometric series, the ratio of any term to the following term is going to be constant. That just means that whatever one number is being multiplied by, all the other numbers in the sequence are going to be multiplied by to get that other number. So where we would start is we would take these two numbers, since they're close together, and we would divide the one that comes later in the sequence by the other. So the one that comes later is going to be 108. So we're going to take 108 and divide it by 1 over 108 and divide it by 1 over 36. And then when we multiply fractions, we do keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep 108, change that division to multiplication, and flip that 1 over 36 and make it 36 over 1. When we multiply across, we're going to get 36 over 108. That reduces to 1/3. So that means our common ratio, common factor, is going to be 1/3. So to find, but that's not what it's asking for, even though that is an answer choice. We're looking for the second term in the series. So to find that second term, we're going to multiply 1/4 times 1/3. And then that's going to give us 1/12. And that's our answer.